Hi Pranav, do you know global MTDC capacity by available power grew 62.4% in the 5 years through 2019, a compound annual growth rate of nearly 10.2% according to the 451 Research Data Center Knowledge Base.
Hi Nitin, hold on. What are you talking about? What is MTDC and how is that its growth related to us?
I'm sorry Pranav, I just got excited to share information and forgot to mention that our today's topic is MTDC and 5 advantages of it for enterprises.
But what is MTDC?
Patience Pranav, let's start today's episode first and then I will explain in detail.
Okay Nitin, let's start. Hello everyone, he is Nitin Manwani.
He is Pranav Shah.
Welcome to the fresh new episode of
D for Data Center by MSP TV.
Nitin, will you please tell what is MTDC to our viewers?
Yes Pranav, actually you already know it. MTDC means multi-tenant data centers or it is also known as co-location data center.
You could have told this in starting. Well, now let us give our viewers little introduction about co-location data center.
Yes Pranav, so co-location data center is the placement of enterprise-owned compute, storage and networking assets in a third-party leased facility. Co-location facilities offer scalability, continuity and security for applications, data and systems and often provide access to the most advanced data center technology while removing the need to build staff and manage in-house server rooms or data centers, giving clients the ability to focus on their businesses.
Typically, data center co-location services offering infrastructure, cooling, power, bandwidth, physical security, etc. While the client provides both storage and servers. Besides, the space at the facility is either leased by room, cage, rack or a cabinet. Many co-location data centers today are expanding their portfolio to extend managed services that back their client's business initiative.
And types of co-location facilities are generally of two types, retail or wholesale. A third type has recently become common, hybrid cloud-based co-location facilities.
Retail co-location means a customer leases a space within a data center, usually a rack, space within a rack or a cage of area.
Wholesale co-location means a tenant leases a fully built data center space, generally at a cheaper rate than retail vendors but with the lower power and space requirements.
And last is hybrid cloud-based co-location, which is a mix of in-house and outsourced data center services.
Well, now you know what is MTDC and what are its types. Now let's dive into the main topic of today's video.
5 advantages of multi-tenant data centers for enterprises.
First advantage, flexibility. Using MTDC infrastructure enables small and medium-sized businesses to take advantage of advanced technologies such as cloud computing and virtualized data centers.
Second advantage, reliability. MTDCs typically provides their own technician to maintain the infrastructure and ensure that hosted functions always operate at peak efficiency. MTDCs can also match an organization's reliability requirement to specific user requirements, balancing this with the cost options. SLA will be set operational parameters and provide commitment to uptime.
Third advantage and crucial one, savings. By choosing to outsource data center services rather than building, hosting and maintaining them themselves, MTDC tenants can secure significant operational expenditure and capital expenditure savings.
Additionally, MTDC tenants gain the advantage of expertise. MTDC will have considerable experience gained through multiple build and design iteration, meaning they can not only build a more cost-effective data center, also keep operational costs down.
And MTDCs also provide clients with the ability to scale as they grow and to deploy assets on a just-in-time basis rather than trying to overplan and build a traditional data center that is an up to 30-year depreciating asset.
Fourth advantage, reduce latency. With MTDC, enterprise organization can significantly reduce latency. This is because MPDC provides direct connectivity to service providers, cloud providers, content providers, high frequency traders, financial transaction and peering partners who are also co-located at the MPDC.
Last and the most important advantage, security. Regarding security, MTDCs offer multiple levels of protection against external threats and can provide faster and more through recovery from disaster situations.
Regarding physical protection, data campuses are usually surrounded by fences and patrolled by a security person, with the facility themselves designed to restrict accessibility.
Inside there are security guards, restricted access and man traps that designed to slow entry. Only authorized personnel are allowed to entry to designated areas via badge or biometric access. Ensures only authorized personnel can gain entry to designated areas and the entire campus is under continuous CCTV observation.
That is all from our side today's episode. We hope you like this video and find the information useful. If yes, then please do like and share this video, and if you want to know more about co-location data center, or if you need any information about data center infrastructure technologies, then let us know in the comment section or email us at info@msplgroup.com.
You can also connect with us on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. Links are in the description. And please subscribe to our channel and support us so that we feel more inspired to make more videos like this.
And also visit our website www.mspwebstore.com for all your IT needs for office and home. You can also call us on 9696086262 for our services.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do check out our other videos as well.
Stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video.